max part 500 watt power inverter. Please excuse the mess, I'm in the process of moving, but we're in my car. I've got my printer plugged into it. I'll leave a link in the description too. This is I just got this as a Canon Pixmia. I'm not sure what the number is. I'll leave a link in the description. I wanted to know if I could power this printer off of this. Having it plugged into my cigarette lighter or power port, whatever they call it. I have this plugged in. I'm not in a printout, but I just got this. I wanted to see if it would power on. Turning it on might be helpful. Anyhow, if I turn the power on to this, yeah, there it is. Let's see. So you can see the it's making noises and it's turning on. I haven't used this yet. It's brand new. It's still got the protective tape on the thing, but yeah, this thing works and it shows you the voltage coming from the battery, and it shows the current draw of the item that you're using. And it's got a fan. You plug it, sorry about the lighting. You plug the back, positive, negative, the usual. Doesn't take a genius to operate this thing. You got that. You got your power on and off. You got your plugs to plug stuff in there. I mean, don't be plugging a refrigerator into this thing or anything, but small items like a laptop, small electronics like a phone, laptop, crap like that. The fan comes on after it gets hot. Yeah, there's the instruction manual. Yeah, I'll leave a link in the description. So if you wanted to know if you could power your printer, I'm not sure about a home computer, but you could power your printer definitely off of this thing. I just want to make a quick video to show. Link in the description in case you want to buy it. Anything in this video. Yeah, this is good. But yeah, this is the max part 500 watt power inverter. Pretty cool. It's good if you want to live off the grid or something like that, like what eventually I want to do. I probably won't be able to, but yeah, very cool. One thing I forgot to tell you, it also comes with the these little alligator clips to hook into your to hook directly into your battery. So that hooks into your battery, and you have positive and negative, which hooks directly into the back of this. So there you go. The max part, I'm sure they have rebranded versions of the same one. These are on Amazon. These are on Amazon. I don't know, what does this cost, like 30 bucks or something like that? I'm sure they have rebranded versions of the same thing, but this is the max part 500 watt power inverter. Pretty cool. Yeah, and you also have your what do you call that, not cigarette lighter, but power port inlet. You can plug in your devices into there, the stuff you plug into the power port or power outlet in the car. The crap you plug in, you plug your power outlet stuff into this too. So you have your DC 12 volt power outlet there in the back of it as well, so you could plug it in there. All right,